I'm Clarice Lin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you one top tip so you get more eyeballs on your Instagram stories. Struggling to grow your Instagram followers? I have one quick hack for you. Every time you create your Instagram story, turn on your location. Whether you're creating Instagram stories or an Instagram post, you should always have a location to it. For security reasons, you might not exactly want your location to be down to the precise point where you live. Update your location to be somewhere like in an area and things like that. People in your area who's following location-based stories, they'll be able to find you. It's like a discovery tool. Every time I create a story, I'll put in a location sticker so people who are following those locations, they can discover my channel, and I've grown more followers because of it. In some cases, the location sticker might not look so pretty, so what you can do is actually you can make the sticker smaller and then you can hide behind some other visuals that you have created on the story. So, do you usually use the location stickers? Do you find that it makes a difference when you have a location sticker on? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more exciting Instagram tips and hacks. See you next time!